Hey everyone, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I am Haja, a passionate makeup artist and online makeup instructor. So today's tutorial is going to be about the Batwing eyeliner. What is a Batwing eyeliner? Some of you might already know, some of you hopefully are still in search of an easy, simple step-by-step, and that is probably why you're here. The Batwing eyeliner is basically a winged sharp eyeliner that works the best for hooded eyes, since we deal with excess skin covering the lid, which leaves us not only less lid space on opened eyes, but also makes the wing of our eyeliner look crooked when the eyes are open. I'm going to keep it really simple, but still informative enough for you on how to achieve this beautiful sharp winged eyeliner. So let's jump straight into this step-by-step tutorial. Please note, on the right side of your point of view, I have applied the eyeliner the way I used to do my eyeliner in the past, and probably you have done up until now, which ends up looking crooked on our eyes. So as a comparison, I will keep the right side so that you can approve that the Batwing eyeliner is the best sharp eyeliner technique for hooded eyes. First of all, let's assume you have already primed your eyes and set it with powder. So for the first step of the Batwing eyeliner application, we need to keep our eyes open for the most part of this tutorial. The reason simply is that we can determine two things: how much lid space we have, which helps us to adjust the correct thickness of our eyeliner. The second thing is we can determine the correct placement of the wing so that it does not end up looking crooked. Next important thing before the application is to keep your working hand steady and place it on a table so your hand doesn't get shaky when applying eyeliner. Also, optional is to keep a powder puff on top of your face and lean your hands on it for further steadiness. Next, choose the eyeliner you're familiar with and you like working with. My tip for beginners is to use a felt tip eyeliner with a precise thin tip. Now start applying your baseline, which is the line that accentuates your lash line. Keep your eyes open and look relaxed. Do not raise your brows. Start from the center of the lid and drag the line up until the outer corner of the lash line. Then start applying a thin line, starting from the inner corner and connected with the line on the center of the lid. The closer you get to the outer corner, you might want to draw the line a little thicker. However, if you do not have enough lid space on that part, then skip this recommendation. Keep in mind never to press the eyeliner onto the skin. Gently sweep the liner's tip onto your skin instead. By the end of the application, the baseline should cover the half of the lid space that is available and not more, or else the illusion of a big lid space is not achieved. Good job, we're halfway there. Now still keep your eyes open, look relaxed, straight into the mirror and apply the dot, which determines where you want your wing to be located. I want a cat eye effect eyeliner, so I apply the A dot at the highest point diagonally to the tail of my brows. Then I apply a B dot on the bottom of my basic line on the outer corner. Last but not least comes the C dot on top of my baseline on the outer corner. Now we start to connect dot A with dot B, dragging a line up to the bottom of the basic line. We again go back to dot A and this time connected with dot C on top of our basic line. Finally, we arrive at the easiest step. Before we start to fill in the wing, we are now allowed to slightly close our eyes and look downwards. Do you notice this gap? Obviously yes. So next, you must connect this gap with the basic line, drawing a straight line downwards. To clarify you why this technique is called Batwing eyeliner is simply because it is a little similar looking to the wings of a bat when you close your eyes. Back to the last step. Fill in the completed wing with eyeliner evenly. Apply some mascara and or apply some falsies. Try to keep it natural with the falsies, that way the false lashes do not cover your beautiful masterpiece. To enhance your upper lash line and prevent any gaps, you can use a black kohl liner and line your upper waterline. Please check out my other best eyeliner technique for hooded eyes right after this video. I will link it down below in the description box. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, then let me know by liking this video. Please share this with your other hooded eyes fellas and spread the love by subscribing so I can continue to make your wishes my command. Thank you and happy holidays!